Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit holding roses trending AI photo for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For the photo, we're going to use Gemini. So first of all, you can open up gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini app. And then you can open the Gemini with your computer or with your mobile phone. And here I have already opened the Gemini. And then we can select the tools and choose create images. Okay, we're going to use Nano Banana feature on Gemini. And then you're going to click on this plus icon and upload your photo. And I'm just going to use this one and click on open. And then this is the prompt you can use to create the holding roses trending photo. Okay. And then you can modify the prompt guys. It's according to your needs. And then I'm going to set the prompt and also the image. And let's see how it looks. Okay guys, done. And this is the result. And wait, I'm going to view it. Okay. And then I'm going to click on this download icon to save this picture or this image to my device. Okay, and if you're still not satisfied, you can edit the prompt. You can click on this edit icon to edit your prompt. Okay. And yeah, that's cool. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And for the prompt, I'll put it on the YouTube description. Okay, bye.